Hi, I'm here to tell you about a new cello project I'm doing. It's a Sunday, fortnightly, worldwide cello Zoom hang. So what I'm inviting you to do is to come along and to meet other cellists, to play some music that you've been working on, something you want to share, and we listen to each other and we share ideas. So it's a way to get positive feedback, it's a way to have something to motivate you. It's a non-judgmental space. You can come along, you can just watch if you want to, there's no pressure to play. But basically, I just want to, in these times when we can't go out and perform and we have very little opportunity to share our music, it's a way to do it live without committing to some live performance on Facebook or online, and just a way to have an informal cello meeting, and I'm calling it the Cello Club. So I hope you can come along. The first one is starting in October and you can find all the dates. I'll put the link below, and for less than a cup of coffee on a Sunday you get to play your music, hang out with other cellists, get inspired, get excited about the cello, share the things you want to share, and now and again we'll have guest teachers come on and people to talk to you. You can play music in any style, you can play classical pieces, you can play a study, even if there's maybe a scale you want to share. Irish music, traditional, from anywhere in the world, and it'll be really interesting to meet you and hear you play. I look forward to sharing that time with you. So I hope you can come along to the Cello Club, and I'm really excited to meet you all.